ask the Group CEO of Oando to tell us a little bit more about the rights issue and the transaction that they did.
If we look at it from this point of view, that today's rights issue at 54 billion is one of the largest rights ever offered on the Nigerian Stock Exchange before. We're very confident about its success based on we've received from all our shareholders in terms of the amount of information they've sought, international investors, local investors, institutional investors, and we have taken also the show on the road to pretty much explain to as many constituencies as we can as to how and what the essence of this rights is in terms of being able to change the fortunes of the company first and foremost, and as well to of the industry, of the oil industry as we know it today. The Oando PLC is actually a very undervalued operation. The earnings before interest and tax of the business, and you compare it to its peers, it far outweighs all of them. Indeed, our own downstream division generates more revenues and generates more profits than Total, which is number 2 in the fuels distribution trade, and our downstream division is 1 out of 3 main divisions in the company. Indeed, we built a second pipeline system in the east of Nigeria where we're giving a new cement factory, and we're opening up the Calabar area. 124 kilometers of gas pipeline has been built, and that's opening the area. We've now moved to Port Harcourt, and we've started building out the gas pipeline system in Port Harcourt. We will be building phase 4 of the gas pipeline here, and the gas will move from Ijora, where we are, across the river and up to Marina, and we'll be able to convert all the buildings here from diesel, as they're currently powered today, into gas, and this is going to happen in the next 18 months. And you will see an immediate change in the way and manner power is delivered, because diesel is a very expensive way of providing power, and we will replace that with gas. That gas pipeline is already being designed, and we will lay it. It's a $30 million project, $4.5 billion project, which will be delivered within the next 18 months. And that gas pipeline will leave from Marina and go into Victoria Island, go around Amadu Bellewe and end up in Lekki before we start phase 4. And now with the acquisition of ConocoPhillips, we will be catapulted from being a 5,000 barrel a day company to a 50,000 barrel a day company. Okay? Which not only takes us from a low producer by global standards to a medium-sized producer, this with 50,000 barrels a day and more in production on a global scale, tend to have market caps well in excess of $5 billion on a global scale. Now, the point I'm making is that there's a substantial amount of undervalue in the business, and we will discuss why we think there's undervalue, what we need to do as a management team towards being able to gain your confidence to mark up the stock and advise your investors to buy them, and what really holds for the business. This will be Nigeria's first truly indigenous major, which started as a result of the funding and the support that has come from the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and will continue to do better only as a result of the funding and the support you give us. Thank you.